talk about inscribed angles. Inscribed angles are half of the intercepted arc. And I like to think of it as twice your angle equals your arc. So I'm given my angle here. So if I double it, 2 times 78, that is going to give me the amount of my arc, 156. In B, I'm going the other direction. I'm given my arc, and I want to know what this inscribed angle is. So that means twice my angle, I'm just going to call him x, equals 160. So I divide both sides by 2, and I get 80 degrees. Part C, my inscribed angle is 90, so 2 times my angle of 90 equals my intercepted arc, so that would be 180 degrees. The next question asks us to know that if I have two angles that are going to or intercepting the same arc, they are congruent. What does congruent mean? Set them equal to each other. So 2x plus 11 equals 4x minus 3. I'm going to subtract the 2 over because I don't like negatives. So 11 equals 2x minus 3. Add 3 to both sides. And divide by 2. So x equals 7, and my question was asking about x, so I'm done with that problem. Now we start moving into harder problems involving variables. So we always go back to our idea that twice your angle equals your arc. So 2 times my angle. What's my angle? 5x plus 4. Equals my intercepted arc of 208. Oh no, I have to distribute. So 10x plus 8 equals 208. Subtract and divide. This was the, by far, most commonly missed problem on here. So everyone needs to focus on this one. Most people were solving this as if the opposite angles were equal, but what did we hammer in today? The opposite angles of a quadrilateral and a circle, are supplementary. So what does that mean? It means the opposite angles are going to add to 180. So that means 2x plus 64 equals 180. So this is how I'm going to solve for x. Subtract 64, divide by 2. So x equals 58, not the 32 you would have gotten otherwise. And we're going to use that same idea to find y. My two opposite angles are supplementary. So 64 plus 4y equals 180. 180 minus 64 is 116. And if I divide by 4, I get y equals 29. Okay, so maybe rewind that, watch that again. Opposite angles of a quadrilateral and a circle are supplementary. Time for my last couple problems. Once again, we're going back to twice my angle equals my intercepted arc. So 2 times 2x plus 1 equals 96. Distribute. Subtract. And divide. Oh no, we're getting a decimal. It's okay. You can get decimals. It's all right. Next one is asking us to know that two angles that intercept the same arc are congruent. So x is equal to 2x minus 7. Subtract the 2x over. Oh no, I have a negative. Divide by negative 1. So x equals 7. Last question. What kind of shape do I have in here? I have a triangle. What do I know about the angles in a triangle? They add to 180. So if I have 45 and 57, then angle J, 45 plus 57 plus J equals 180. So J is going to give me 78 degrees. Now, that didn't actually answer any of my questions. So looking at IJ, if I look at IJ, what angle corresponds with that? 45, right? That is the one that makes kind of like the snow cone looking thing. So twice 45 would give me 90 degrees. What about JK? Arc JK is right here. So what angle is that regarding? 57. So 2 times 57 would give me 114. And then I could either find IK by subtracting these two from 360 or multiply 78 by 2.